Today we're going to have a look at how to use a laying tool when using satin stitch. So I've got a pattern here that's completely satin stitch. I'm looking for my best ever satin stitch, and I haven't actually got a laying tool. You know me, I kind of use what I've got. So we're going to use a very large yarn needle, but we're going to use it in the very same way that you would use a laying tool. So a laying tool itself is just sort of a sphere shaped, can be metal, wood, bone, usually a bit longer than this, usually going down into a point. I'll see if I can find some pictures on the internet to put here. But we're just going to use this large needle, and that is fine. You can use something similar, a knitting needle, crochet needle, that kind of thing. So you're going to hold it in your non-dominant hand, and you're just going to go ahead and do a normal satin stitch. Come up close to your previous stitches and find your point to go down, and then you're just going to slip it in your loop that you've made, hold it as you pull, and then you're just going to kind of loop it over as you pull down, and this is going to stop the twisting of your threads or the laying on top. So sometimes when you're trying to get them really close together, you can put them on top of each other, which starts to give a different kind of layered effect rather than the smooth effects that you're looking for. So it's a bit of a slow process, but it just makes sure that all your stitches are nicely smooth. And the thing with satin stitches, it's not a difficult stitch, but it's actually one that takes quite a bit of practice to get this sort of silky smooth finish. So it won't help with where you actually position the top and bottom of your stitch. That's unfortunately for you to decide, but it is going to lay them right with no twisting in your silk. So I finished the yellow section using the laying tool, and kind of surprised myself how much I liked it. It didn't really get in the way too much. I kind of used it in different ways sometimes, but it was just there, and it was quite easy to use, and I'm really pleased with this middle section here, which I was a little bit worried about when the stitches get really quite long. I'm going to have my laying tool, might not use it all the time, but I will keep it handy. Let's carry on.